Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Mercedes-Benz GLS, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating, then you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel as well in order to wipe off all the contaminants. So spray your slip solution onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, remove all the contaminants, and also just clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And if you were to use the tack solution, we recommend spraying it onto the towel instead of directly to the headlight. Okay, so once we finish with the prep, we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film, and all we need to do is just align it on this edge right here. Okay, align it as close to the edge as possible. Once we have it aligned on the edge, lift the film and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee and tack it down. We need to secure this entire section right here, because we need to stretch the film in order to remove these small fingers. So make sure to remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Okay, once it's secured, come to this side here and just do a light stretch. So it's not a crazy stretch, it's just a small one where we need to remove all these fingers. So it's going to reach to the edge right there. Hold it, apply tack solution on top, and start tagging it down slowly. Just be careful with fingers here. Break them down, and we should be good. With heat, we could remove all these fingers here and the ones on top, so we should be fine. It's just we need to stretch just a little bit to help shrink those fingers. In order to remove the fingers that you may see around the edges, we're going to grab our tack solution, spray the tack solution onto where the fingers are located. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer, use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat where you see those fingers to help shrink them. And then once we shrink them, we're going to use our microfiber towel, wrap it around your squeegee and help it tack down. So it's pretty simple. Once you're done, then we'll seal everything and then we should be good to go. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tint is to post heat everything. So you're going to grab your tack solution, spray it onto the lens. You're going to need your heat device, hair dryer or heat gun, microfiber towel. The heat gun is used to help apply heat throughout the entire headlight. That will help the adhesive activate faster. And as we're applying heat, the microfiber towel comes in handy by removing all of the solution that are trapped around the edges, and also helps tack down those edges if they are lifting. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Mercedes-Benz GLS. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the GLS. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.